Question 15. Solve for W if 2.5 W plus 1 is equal to that. So I change that. Or you can send the 2W there. 2.5 W minus 2W is half W. And then neck 1 minus 1, that's neck 2. So cross times 2 times 2. W is neck 4. That's the D option. The scale is 1:500. The actual distance between the two, you find it if they are 5.5 apart on the map. So 5.5 cm. So 1 is 500. So 500 is equal to x. So cross multiply. So you have 5.5 times 500. I change to fraction. This goes off. 55 times 50 is 2750. And don't forget, this is in cm. I made a mistake here. It's in cm. Now we change from cm to meters. So 2750 cm. 100 cm is 1 meter. So that's times 1 meter. This goes off. So you come back twice. So that's 27.50 meters. And that is option B. 17. A three-dimensional figure that has two circular ends and a curved surface area is known as. That's a cylinder has two circles and a curved surface. 18. The first clear fraction, LCM is FRT. Multiply each term by FRT. So the F goes off here, the R goes off, the T goes off. So RT is FT plus minus FR. Now I'm making R the subject. So put the ones that has R at one side, R out T plus F, FT. Divide through by T plus F. So that's R is equal to FT over T plus F. That ends it for question number 18. Number 19. There are 45 learners in a class. 15 of them are boys. What percent of learners are girls? So how many are girls? 45 minus 15, that's 30. Divide that by the total times 100%. 15 here 2, 15 here 3. So that's 200 out of 3, 66.66666. That will be 0.67. But it's 1 decimal here, so 0.7. Question number 20. The volume is 1248. Length times breadth times height. So the height, let's say, is x. So this times this is the volume. So divide by 13 times 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 4, 12 here 0, and 48 12 there 4. So 104 out of 13. 13, 8 is 104. So it means that the height is the 8 meters. Question 21. So 5 times 5 squared is 5 cubed. So 5 cubed, we take off 5 cubed from the 5 4, that will be 5 left. 2 squared, take off 2 squared from the 2 cubed, that will be 2 left at the top. So 2 left at the top, 5 left at the down, and that gives you 2 out of 5. The sum of interior angles of a polygon is 2160. How many sides has the polygon? N minus 2 times 180 is the sum, and that's the 2160. Divide by 180. Shading 0 goes, so 18 here 1, 18 here 1, and 3, 36, 18 there 2, 12. So n minus 3 is 12. So n is 12 plus 2, and n is 14. So it has 14 sides. The box contains 12 blue, 10 white, and 8 yellow balls. Probability of picking a blue ball is that. So the total balls are 12 plus 10 plus 8, 22 plus 8. So if you take the blue balls 12 over the total, is the probability of a blue ball. That's 2 out of 5. Let's multiply. 12 times 5 is 60. 2 times 22 is 44. 2 times 8 is 2. Group like terms. 60 minus 44 is 16 equals 2. Divide by 2, A is 8. That's question 25. And that means there are 8 yellow balls. But then you are asked to find the total. So 22 plus 8, that's 30. So the balls in the back total is 30D. Find the prop that selects the yellow ball. Yellow balls are 8 out of 30. 2 there 4, 2 there 15. And that's 4 out of 15 for question 24. 25. A circle whose radius is 7 is enlarged by the scale factor -2. So it means that radius will now be doubled times 2, and that's 14. So the area is spiral square. Spiral square, so 22 and 7 times 14 times 14, 616 is the answer. LCM of 20, 60, and 72. What can divide them with that? 4 here 5, 4 here 15, 4 here 18, 3 here 5, 3 here. No, 3 into 15 is 5, 3 into 18 is 6. 5 is left untouched. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 6 left untouched, 6 here 1, 1, 1. So the LCM is this. So I can write my answers are in the product of primes. So in that case, 4 is 2 squared, 3, 5, 6 is 2, 3. So 2 squared times 2 is 2 cubed, 3 times 3 is 3 squared times 5. Option C. 27. A sewing machine that costs 1,002 was sold at 1,005. So profit is SP minus CP 300 out of 1,002 times 100%. So 300 out of 12. That's 3 here for 300, 25%. Find the modulus of a line joint. Modulus means magnitude. Find the modulus of a line joint. That. So how do we find the magnitude of a line? How do we find a line's magnitude? The magnitude of a line